Hi, if you own a business, should you be asking, how diverse are my customers? How diverse is my supplier and vendor base? How diverse are the employees in my shop? Those questions and more will be answered today, right here on The Smart Consumer. Stay with us. Hello and welcome to The Smart Consumer. I'm your host, Rick Hicks from the law firm of Stevens & Lee, and today we're actually taking a look at the business case for diversity. Diversity of employees, of customers, and vendors and suppliers. And with me to help me look at that question are two very distinguished people. To my immediate right is Ms. Darlene Jenkins, President and CEO of the Minority Supplier Development Council. Yes. Of Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and Delaware. Is that right?
That's correct.
And to her immediate right is Ben Khalaf. Did I say that right?
That's correct.
Okay. Ben is actually president of Alston, Khalaf and Associates, a member of the Diversity Council. And you'll tell us more about exactly what it is that's your business, too, before we're done, right?
Absolutely. Look forward to it.
Same here. But before we start at the heart of the topic that we will get into, at this program, we'd like to start out really introducing you to our viewing audience. And I want to start with you, Ms. Jenkins.
Well, first of all, thank you for the opportunity to be here today. Really excited. Again, my name is Darlene Jenkins. I'm President and CEO of the Minority Supplier Development Council.
Well, that's a big title. What's that mean, President and CEO?
I kind of lead the charge.
Okay.
That's the way that I like to look at it. My passion is there. And minority and minority women-owned business development. And my passion came from a long couple of years in working in corporate America.
Oh, so before here, you worked in corporations?
Yes, I did. I actually ran the Supplier Diversity Program for both Hewlett-Packard and Agilent.
Those aren't small companies, are they?
No, they're fairly big.
Okay, and how big is the council that you run?
Our council right now is comprised of over 100 corporate members, and we service regionally 350 and more certified minority businesses.
All right, so the members are both corporations and minority vendors and suppliers?
Well, our members are corporate members,
okay.
And we service our corporate members by providing a product that they want, which is a certified base of minority women and minority suppliers.
Okay. And Mr. Clough, you're one of them, right?
Yes, I am, Rick.
Tell us what your business is first.
I have an insurance agency. We are full service. We specialize in property and casualty and also employee benefits. We believe in providing a solution to problems. We specialize in small businesses, but we also do business with major corporations.
And where are you physically located?
I'm located in Camden, New Jersey. I'm licensed in Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and Delaware. And also, depending on where my clients are based, I also hold licenses in other states.
And how long have you been in business?
Well, we started in 1979, so I've been in business now for 27 years.
27 years?
Yes.
Wow. And how long have you been a member of the council?
I've been a member of the council for about 23 years. Probably one of the oldest members of the MBE community within our council.
Well, that's excellent. That's excellent. Well, you heard those questions I asked in the beginning of this process, right?
Yes.
Should your employees be diverse? Should your customer base be diverse? And should the people you buy work from or do work with be diverse? What do you think about those questions? Take them one at a time for me, if you
Well,
could.
I think they're all very important, and I believe in diversity. So I believe in all three segments being diverse. My staff is very well diverse. We have African American, we have Latino, and our customers being in the area where we are, where we represent a segment of the community that is Latino, that there are African American, there are Asians, there's the Caucasian. Our customer base also reflects that. We don't target any particular group, but I think because of the fact that we have provided quality service over the years, people come to us.
Okay.
With respect to our vendors, when we first started out, it was a little difficult because most of the products that we purchase and the services, we had to go to the major corporations. But over the years, with the philosophy of doing business with each other, we try to, where possible, do business with minority vendors.
Okay. And do you think where your company is located makes a difference in how diverse you could actually be?
Absolutely. We are in an urban city, so consequently, and also being right next to Philadelphia, you know, we have both sides of the river, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and the demographics, the population is such that it's very well diverse.
Okay. Can I get you to answer those same questions for me, Ms. Jenkins?
Absolutely.
And maybe see if you can take it from the perspective of some of your corporate members. Should they be diverse in the customers they approach, the employees who work for them, or the vendors and suppliers that they use?
Absolutely. You know, when you look at today's demographics, it's a must. Corporations before were sitting there thinking, you know, this is a good thing to do. You know, it's good to have efforts to lead the charge to increase diversity. But now we're finding out that it's a must in this industry where we need to...
So you're saying it's moving sort of from a social nice thing to do to a business...
It's a business imperative.
...decision.
Yes.
Okay. Define what you think diversity is. Would you do that?
Diversity to me is when I look at what the council does and what it brings together together different ideas, different ways of inclusion, and bringing different people to a table with different ideals that bring new, innovative ways of thinking, innovative ways of doing things.
All right. Well, let me use one of your clients that I know a little bit well in this area for an example. Though. Highmark is one of the members of your council, right? And I don't want to pick on Highmark, but is diversity for Highmark a good idea?
Oh, yes. Yes, Highmark is one of our leading corporations that is leading the charge in diversity, particularly in this area.
That was actually my sense too, and that's one of the reasons why I felt comfortable singling out Highmark. So Highmark actually has a diversity plan, right? They
have a diversity plan, but it's also a diversity plan in action. There's a lot of times where you're seeing corporations that say there are diversity plans that are in existence. But when you see like the charge that Highmark is making, they're making it from the executive level. The executives are leading the charge. They're holding the company accountable because it's something that they believe in. We're seeing the results of these efforts, and it's a phenomenal process that we're seeing.
On that subject, all I can say is go Highmark. Stay with us. We'll be right back with The Smart Consumer.